now you can see here mixture of two liquids. So based on if you want to understand the separation of mixtures, we have been classifying into how many categories? Mixture of two solids, mixture of solid and liquid, and next one is what? Mixture of two liquids. This is the totally 3 number of cases. Now we will discuss the 3 cases in detail by using one by one. Now first one we will study separation of mixture of two solids. What is that? Separation of mixture of two solids. All of you wrote it down.
Two solids.
Separation of mixture of how many solids? Sai, Darun?
Two solids.
Two solid. So all of you should remember. Now I will say you some techniques. Based upon these techniques only, whenever you are getting mixture of two solids, based upon this only you guys are going to use this separation techniques. You are not going to separate any other techniques. So based upon the substances, that is why I categorize into 3 categories. 2 solids, 1 solid and 1 liquid. Next one is 2 liquids. So now separation of mixture of 2 solids. So whenever you will get a 2 solids, only we will use 3 kind of separation techniques. One is by using a suitable solvent. What is that? By using a suitable solvent. Second one is by the process of sublimation. Second one is what? By the process of sublimation. Third one is what? By using a magnet. What is that? By using a magnet. Understand that? Now let us take all the mixtures containing 2 solids. Whenever you can see the mixture containing 2 solids, 2 solid substances, they can be separated by only understanding any one of these 3 techniques. Any one of these 3 techniques, that is what we will call as solid-solid mixtures. Understanding extraction or separation of solid-solid mixtures. We will use only by these 3 processes. Any one of them is enough to separate them. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
First one is what?
Yes, sir.
By using a suitable solvent. What is the first technique? Separation of mixture of 2 solids. We will use what? By using a suitable solvent. First one, write it. By using a suitable solvent. Suitable solvent. Second one. SCO, solvent. Second one, by the process of sublimation. What is the second one, Maunesh?
By the process of sublimation. By the process of sublimation.
See your textbook, it will be order-wise. It won't be like separately. But you must learn. That is what I am teaching separately. Most important for our higher classes also. That is why. For +1, +2 also. Next, by using a magnet. What is the third one?
By using magnet.
By using a magnet. So these are the 3 techniques. Any one of these is enough to separate water. Any one of these enough to separate what, Darun? To separate?
2 solids.
Yeah. Solid mixture. Understand, Ra? That is you should remember.
Sir, 1 second, scroll up, sir.
Right. Now, we'll study one by one examples. Suppose by using a suitable solvent, what kind of solid mixture? By using the process of sublimation, what mixture? By using a magnet, what kind of mixture? So these we'll start. Shall we start, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, first one, all of you keep subheading. Separation by a suitable solvent. Separation by a suitable solvent. Separation by a suitable solvent. Okay, are you ready? Now, first listen, later only you can write. Now, for example, if you take, in some cases, one constituent of a mixture is soluble in a particular liquid solvent, whereas other constituent is insoluble in it, then the difference in the understanding, this difference in the solubilities of these constituents of a mixture can be used to separate them. All of you to understand? So we have a two mixture of 2 solids. One can soluble in some solvent, another one cannot. One can soluble in solvent, another one cannot. So do you understand, guys? In that situation, we can use this technique, separation by a suitable solvent. So, for example, you can take, I will show you that one picture I will show you. Try to understand and tell me. What is the example? Can you able to say? Two solids, one is soluble in solvent, another one is not. What is that example? Can you give, guys? Already I have taught you this
Salt
one.
and sugar.
Yeah,
Salt and
salt and sugar is sand. Yeah, sand and sugar.
Sand and sugar.
Yeah, sugar and sand, or salt and sand, whatever it is you want, you can take. Now, for example, you can say here, I am showing you the three pictures. What is that? Can you able to say here, Laksha? What is this, Tarun? One is water. And
Water.
this water is called as what?
Sand, sir.
Water is called as what?
Solvent, sir.
What is called? Solvent. And
Solvent.
this is sugar and sand. Both I mix it together. So now we have a mixture of what? Mixture of sand and sugar mixture. What is that? Sand and sugar mixture.
Sand and sugar mixture.
Understanding? Sand and sugar mixture. Is it possible to separate it by anything with this one? Is it possible to separate by anything by the hand and by with the hand we can
No,
separate?
sir.
So we cannot separate it. Understand? By using any other technique? No. So this is mixture of sand and sugar. So we know that this sugar is dissolved. Understanding? It is soluble in where? It is soluble in
Water.
soluble in water. So that
Water.
using water is the solvent. Water is the solvent to separate this sugar and sand mixture. So we know that sugar will dissolve in water, and sand can be not. Sand is not dissolvable, not soluble in water. It can be separated easily. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is the first technique. So when two solids, when we can use this technique, Elamukil? When we can
When two solids.
yeah, when the two solids in that one solid should be soluble in a particular.
Soluble nature.
Understand? Other one should not. Suppose if both are soluble, is it possible to separate?
No, sir. No, sir.
Suppose I will use sugar and sand. Sugar and salt. Both are soluble in water. Is it possible to separate them by using this technique? We cannot.
No, sir.
So for that, we have to go with some other technique. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That is what you have to remember it. So separation by a suitable solvent. When we will use? In some cases, right? In some cases, one constituent of a mixture, one constituent of a mixture is soluble in a particular solvent. Where it is soluble, Pradosh? In a particular
solvent.
Whereas the other constituent is insoluble in it. Whereas other constituent, Monish, if both are soluble, is it possible to use this technique, Monish?
No, sir.
No. Other constituent is insoluble in it. That's right. Shruti, understand, Shruti? Understand? So that is what we can use. For example, what sugar is? Sugar. Understand? A mixture of sugar and sand. A mixture of, example what? A mixture of what? Mixture of
Sugar and salt.
Sand. So sugar is the one which can soluble in where? Soluble in
water.
Water.
That is what we can use it. Please all of you note it down. So this is the first technique.
Sir, once again scroll up.
Yeah. Figure that. Shall we start now? So now, let us start.
Lightly scroll up, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Now we will study how this process will take place and what is the further steps is present in that. That is what we can say. To separate a mixture of sugar and sand. All of you keep heading. To separate a mixture of, every example we should study very clearly. To separate a mixture of what? Darun? Tamil Selvan?
Sugar and sand.
Sugar and sand.
And sand. So now, as we know that who is soluble in water? Who is soluble in water?
Sugar.
Sugar. Now, what is the process involving and all we will study. So we know that sugar is soluble in water, whereas the sand is insoluble in water. So, based upon this difference in the solubilities of sugar and sand in water, understand it is used to separate them. So now how it will be happening, how to separate them, we will see that. So now the mixture of sugar and sand is taken in a beaker. How we can do that? We'll take it in a what? We'll take it in a beaker. So now after we will add water to it. What we guys will do that? We'll add
Water to it.
we will add water. You can observe in this picture very clearly. You can draw this picture also in our notebook. Manya, Samaya, are you there in meeting? Shruti, Tamil Selvan, everybody. So now you can observe very carefully here. So I have taken a sugar and sand mixture. What is the first beaker I am taking? Sugar and sand.
Sugar and sand mixture.
Sugar and sand mixture. So now you can observe Laksha. What I am doing in second step. Second step, what I am adding? I am adding what? Water. I add water so that, understand, if I'll start stirring, so the salt will dissolve in what? Sugar will dissolve in water. So we used to get water, sugar solution, and as well as we used to get what? Sand we can get. Is it yes or no? Darun? Elemental?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, observe very carefully. Alana, you also respond, Mincha. After that, once we are getting the sugar solution and sand, so we are going to use some kind of technique. What is this technique, Ra? Anybody? What is this?
Filtration.
That is
Filtration.
filtration. Do you understand, guys?
Filtration. Yes,
The
sir.
need to dissolve the sugar in water. Understanding the sand remains undissolved. Now you can see, understand the sugar solution containing sand is filtered by pouring over a filter paper which is kept in the funnel. So you can see here, once you will passes this, understanding the mixture of sugar solution and sand. So what will happen, guys? Here, observe in the filter paper which is arranged in the funnel. So here the black color substance is there. That is what we should call sand.
Residue.
Sand cannot pass
Residue.
through this filter paper. So the whatever it is stuck in this filter paper, that wastage we should call it as what? Residue.
Residue.
Now, the sugar
Yes,
is
sir.
dissolved in water so that it will pass through this filter paper and it will be collected in a separate jar. That is what the sugar solution. So the sugar solution we should call it as what? Filtrate.
Filtrate.
Called filtrate. Very, very
Filtrate.
this is called as residue. What which will stuck in the filter paper is called as residue solid, and filtrate is called as which will pass us through the filter paper. Understand, guys? Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
further. Now I want sugar from the sugar solution. What I guys need to do? Again, I have to go with the after the separation technique.
Evaporation.
It's called as
Evaporation.
Evaporation.